Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, AI Power Automation Solution for Businesses. Last week I published a ultimate guide to self-hosting n8n instance on Amazon Web Services EC2 with Docker in GoDaddy DNS, and I got and thank for watching my video. And I have one comment from my audience that's how the one update this instance. So basically this audience want to know how they can update the versions of the n8n self-hosted instance. And then today I got one of my clients that have a similar setup, and then it kept outdated version, and they got the message like this. So critical updates available, right? It's asking her to update to version 1.106 or higher. So if you are running a self-hosted instance, so which means that you need to taking care of the upgrade versions. And then if you are not upgraded to the latest version, so there will be a message like this: critical update available. Okay, so if you are seeing this message, which means your n8n self-hosted instance are behind the latest version, and you are recommended to update to the latest one. So it including security patch, so new feature from n8n. Yeah, and then let me show you how. Okay, so when you see this message, you can click here, right? So that you can see that your current version here. So this message will show that your current message version is 1.104. Okay, but the latest one is the version 1.111 that released 1 day ago. So and then in there really they can have a short description about what n8n bring to this update. For example, bug fixing, it can core functionality bug fix, and then security updates. Okay, so we are very much recommended to update it. Okay, and then let click here. So they are creating the documents, and doing very good job in documentation. So they are created the document that allow you to read and go through and to update your n8n version. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is click here and then to go to the document side. Okay, it's loading. Okay, some issue with the DNS, so let's reload it. Okay, looking good. So n8n publics documents update self-hosted instance on n8n. Okay, and then they said that it's important to keep your n8n version up to date, right? And so we have the latest feature and security and the patch. Okay, so depend on your how you set up your self-hosted instance, but with my previous guide, we are using the Docker setup, right? So we click here, install with Docker. Okay, and this will lead to the Docker installation. So there are different setup. For example, it can be setting up locally with Docker desktop, or we are using Docker engine with Docker Compose, and in our case it is Docker engine and Docker Compose, right? So we are hosting our self-hosted instance on Amazon web service with Docker Compose. So here go to this one. So if you are running and then using Docker Compose, so just few steps to update it, right? So what I'm gonna do is to go back to my Amazon Web Service console here, and then select my n8n self-hosted instance. Okay, I'm click here to the connect, and then I'm going to use EC2 Instant Connect. So that different way to connect, but EC2 Instant Connect is one of the secure way. You can use session manager or SSA client, depend on your preference. Okay, but the quick and simple one is to access directly in the console. So that I'm gonna use EC2 Instant Connect and then connect it. Okay, so there will be a new console open, and as we establish the connection to your VM, your server where you run. So here, because you can check Docker ps Okay, we can see that we are using the okay, I'm moving this to other corner of the screen so we can see the command. Okay, we can see that we have like some Docker container running as our n8n instance. Okay, and then let's go back to the document, and they said that okay, navigate to your Docker compose file, and then okay, then let's do it. So sorry. Okay, so we have n8n compose here, and then we can go change directory to n8n.compose. Okay, and then we have compose file here. Awesome. Okay, and then we run docker compose pull. Okay, then docker compose pull. Okay, so you can see that traffic is pulling, n8n is pulling, and then it's the image already exists, so it's just like updating the version. Okay, awesome. And it's same for n8n. So there will be some downloads. Basically, they download the latest package from n8n and traffic. So whatever you have in the like Docker Compose will pulling and update to the latest versions. Okay. So wait for a second, and then yeah, it depends on the network of your like server, but like it will be very quick. So just few seconds, like less than 1 minute, I think. So almost on already complete with the green check only once extracting. So we have like 16 megabyte per 150. Okay, so yep, and then let's it running the command, and then we are going to the document to see what next. So we need to stop and remove all the version. Okay, docker compose down, and then we will run docker compose up again. Okay, so 35 app 150 45. So I guess this will take like 2 minutes maximum to download the necessary package, because like it had been a while that I haven't updated like n8n version. So there are a lot of like different between my current version and the latest version, so that the packet needs to be, the polling packet is quite big. Okay, 63 out of 150. Okay, okay, so yeah, so while waiting for it, like let's get back to my video, and then if you have any question, any comment like this audience, just let me know. I'm gonna make the I will support you, or maybe like making a video to walk you through the process to like solve the problem. Okay, don't hesitate to follow my channel, and then also like comment if you have any problem with n8n or any AI problem. Yeah, I'm happy to listen. Okay, now let's get back to instance. So yeah, almost like more than 50%. Let's wait for a little bit. Why? Okay, then for the document, so yeah, the final command will be docker compose with the detect mode, and then yeah, so if you are running in the other setup, so you can just follow the document and running. Okay, but like with my previous comprehensive guide, I using Docker Engine and Docker Compose. So we need to use like exactly the same setup to update the version with the Docker Compose. Okay, let's back to the instance. So yep, on the instance like necessary packet. Okay, so the Docker Compose pull is like finished, and then next we going to use the Docker Compose down to stop and remove the version. Okay, Docker Compose down. So they are you going to stop and remove the like old version of the container, including traffic, including n8n instance, and then we run it again. Okay, with Docker Compose up. Docker Compose up. Okay, enter. So yep, and then we run Docker ps to see. Yeah, so on looking good. So let's get back to check if like the instance is up and run again, it's bad gateway, so look like still need to wait for the instance to update. Okay, so we need to wait. Okay, so yeah, you need to wait for a while for the instance to up and run. So yeah, like first, okay, let's check the version, right? What new? So this is I'm not sure where we can see the latest version of the n8n. So where can I find that? No. Okay, about n8n. Yeah, so yeah, we are successfully to update our n8n version to 1.111, right? The latest one, and then you can see that the annoying message here it disappear, no longer like available. So we are on the latest version with latest feature stripped from n8n and latest security patch. So we are in a very good state, right? And one more important thing that's like on the credential that we created, on the workflow, on the credential that we've created, or other person in the n8n instance creators will be available as before, so that they know that nothing will be deleted. So yeah, you can confident to run the update, so without hesitating of losing your work or something like that. So yeah, hopefully this video answer your questions, and then like if you have any question about how like you can use n8n self-host instance or anything with the workflow, let me know. Okay, thank you very much and have a very good day. Don't forget to follow my YouTube channel for more AI automations, solution, tip and tricks. Thank you very much and have a very good day. Bye bye.